For Module 4's discussion, in answering the first question, which is what, if anything, makes this city vulnerable with regard to climate change, I found that this stems from Montreal's urban heat island effect, which has an increased risk of flood from heavy rain and also has potential infrastructure damage from the extreme weather events, including things like heat waves and just really intense storms. And the city is currently facing an increased risk from these events, especially flooding from the rainstorms, because Montreal's infrastructure was built without taking that weather into account. And then in answering question 2, which is what might happen to the city in the future if it continues business as usual and no steps are taken to increase its resiliency, I found that Montreal faces increased vulnerability to climate change impacts like rising sea levels and just more frequent and intense storms, just also leading to infrastructure damage like before. And the climate change may threaten the integrity of the infrastructure, such as roads, bridges, the water supply, and just other things like that. And then in answering question 3, which is there something unique about the city's culture or history that impacts its response to climate change? I found that Montreal has a unique blend of French-English bilingualism and a diverse cultural heritage, which just largely influences its approach to climate change, just by wanting them to focus on encouraging a more collaborative, community-focused response. And yeah, that's it.